If you would rather use the mobile version, first go to the App Store, search for Bandlab, and download this app. Once you have downloaded the app, open Bandlab on your phone. Again, you can log in with your Google or Facebook or sign up with email. Once you have logged in, press the plus button at the bottom of the screen to open a new project. Choose voice or mic to record a sound with your microphone. To record the first track, press the red button and record. Test, 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 test. Once you have recorded the first track, I recommend saving right away by pressing the cloud button in the top right with the arrow, pressing save, and saving your project. Make sure you save regularly while you're working on your project. To record the next track, press the arrow in the top right, the down arrow, and click the plus sign on the left to make a new track. Choose voice or mic, and make sure that you go back to the beginning of the track before you start recording. As you record, you'll be able to hear your previous track so that you can line up your current recording with the first one.
Test,
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 test.
test.
Once you have completed all of your tracks, make sure that once again you save your project, and to download the audio files you will have to use the desktop version of Bandlab on a computer. To download the audio that you recorded on your mobile device, open up an internet browser on your computer and go to bandlab.com, and then log in with the same account you used on your mobile device. To find your project, go to your library, click on the file that you made, and click the download button to download the file. Choose the quality that you want, and then click download. And then your file is ready to use for the next step of the challenge.